everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So guys, if you are preparing for the LAWCET 3 years, 5 year and B.EDCET and want to crack these exams with good marks and facing a problem in a GK section, so here is a very good news for you. Today I am available at Dadar Center and Borivali Center. So if you have any problem related to preparation, it means GK section को कैसे preparation करना है, prepare करना है and क्या important area है, topic है, each and everything. If you want to discuss with me, so today I am available at Dadar Center between 3 to 5 and Borivali Center between 6 to 8. So you can come and discuss with me. I will clear your all the doubt with respect to GK section as well as mock strategy and everything it means related to preparation and how you can prepare in this limited time. So here is a crash course information for you. You can join this crash course where we will complete entire syllabus with all important topic. And I will suggest you, if you are joining the crash course and coming for the lecture, so do one thing, just watch all the video. It means GK section के सारे video देख लो, English के देख लो, and जो भी आपके section से important हमने mark करके दिया है, वो सारे वीडियो आप वॉच करके देख के फिर लेक्चर अटेंड करो. सो इन दिस वे बहुत इजीली एंड इंटायर सिलेबस को आप कवर कर सकते हो. सो इस वीडियो को आप अपने फ्रेंड एंड अदर फैमिली मेंबर के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो. इफ एनीवन इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दीज एग्जाम्स, सो ही और शी विल गेट द बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो एंड आल्सो हेल्पफुल फॉर टू क्रैक द सीटी विद द गुड मार्क्स. So we'll suggest you, if you have any doubts, so please visit the center and discuss with me, and these are the number you can call for any query related to your course preparations and crash course and my availability at center. Thank you.